This is Rick Eglin with Fireblast Global, and today is National Manufacturing Day, and we'd like to honor that day with a little reflection and a little bit about the future. So it's been over 100 years since Henry Ford started the assembly line process and introduced it to the world. And in the early 20th century, we saw manufacturing in the US at its height. The pride of the worker was up and the products were second to none. We saw manufacturing switch from making lipstick to making ammunition. We saw typewriters that became machine guns. And then in the late 20th century, we saw a change. It was a shift. And basically, jobs were lost. We saw more importing from other countries than the exporting of the great products that America had always built. Here at Fireblast, we're trying to restore the glory and dignity in manufacturing. And our team is here to tell you why they chose manufacturing and how they're restoring glory and dignity to this great industry.
Well, I chose manufacturing. I had the opportunity to go to college. I'm just more of a hands-on type person. When I found Fireblast, I was kind of drawn to it because I was seeing people making something from nothing, and it really was inspiring. And then just having the opportunity to grow here through Lean and learning from others, as well as being able to teach, helped keep me here. And then just the products that we provide. I mean, we provide products that help protect property and save lives. So just being something bigger than myself just helped me get me here. I've been here for 16 years, so.
All right, I like manufacturing because it gives me a sense of pride and accomplishment whenever I manufacture something of high quality in the United States.
I like working here because otherwise many projects we work for fire department. It's a good project, so we do car kilos, and we do a lot for them, so we can get training, so to save lives. That's what I like working here.
Manufacturing for me, I've been in the shop for maybe 9 years, going from grinding to welding, and I really enjoy just putting a hard day of work with my hands. I like to fix things. I like to be transparent with what I do. I like the quality that I put out, and there's a lot of things in this that a lot of kids don't know, that you don't need to go to university to get a degree for welding or anything, plumbing or anything. So trade school is a good idea. I have friends that went there and they're freaking great welders, and I just enjoy my daily work, so thank you.
One of the reasons why I like manufacturing is because I like the instant satisfaction that I get from making something out of pieces and the skill that it takes to do that. And I like seeing my work and being improving on that every day.
And been working on the manufacturing industry for 20 years. I started on the production line, and I jumped to the inventory control. And again, I enjoy this kind of life. It's a quality life. I like doing my inventory, keep my inventory on the low levels, and do my cycle counts, buying, and plan all my material to be here on time and never get short.
I got into manufacturing because when I was in high school, I didn't even know what I wanted to do. I didn't want to go to college because I might have taken something that I found out later on that I didn't like. I didn't want to put all the money into it. So I went into a vocational, which it's called a makerspace, and you learn all types of skills. And I found out just by trying out different skills, I loved welding, and I got into manufacturing because it can be a career. And no matter what you do, you keep working on yourself, working on helping others, growing, and it's a blast. It really is.
I'm bringing back glory and dignity back to manufacturing by ensuring that firefighters have the safe fire equipment, and by building materials and equipment here in the U.S.
I'm restoring glory and dignity through the manufacturing work area by bringing quality and value through these parts that I bring to these guys. I work on my processes constantly and daily so these guys can improve their improvements and their process through the parts that I give them.
I'm in manufacturing right now because of the culture. The culture has taught me you don't have to go and pursue a college degree or go and find something that you want to do in college. You could actually come to the floor come to manufacturing and pursue it here. It's taught me that leaders start from the top, and they have worked all the way down, and they have taught me that even I could be a leader.
Because every day I have the opportunity to create and learn something new every day.
I got into manufacturing mostly because I love to fabricate and make things. Growing up, I was never really taught about manufacturing or mass production or industry or fabrication. It was just business was considered to be done behind a desk. But I was never felt like the correct environment for me. I always loved to make things, and creation was just what I was born to do. So when I eventually did find my calling and passion in manufacturing, it was just the right fit and what I've always loved to do.
Okay, manufacturing to me is nice because it creates great jobs and careers for people that don't necessarily have a good education or necessarily a college education.
I'm restoring glory and dignity back into manufacturing by trying to produce quality products. I want to bring quality back to the U.S. By doing that, I went to trade school so I can further my education in metal fab.
Okay, I like to be a fabricator because I feel like some of the stuff we make either helps save people, and I feel like we're building America one step at a time.
With this company, you're able to make equipment that is going to be helping train someone to save someone's life, and you're making a difference in the world.
So nowadays, anybody can, go online, buy product out of China and resell it and make some money. But, there's something about really seeing the product come to life and having control on the quality and the value that you're providing the customer.
So this is what Fireblast is doing to restore glory and dignity to manufacturing. What are you doing?